Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to screenshot on your iPhone. How do you make screenshots on iPhone? So do well to watch this video to the end. The first step is to locate the buttons on your phone. You find the side button, which is usually called the power button. It is located on the right side of your iPhone, and the volume up button on the left side of your phone. The left side of the phone, we are having two buttons, but we'll be needing the volume up buttons and the power button for the screenshots. So the next thing to do is to press the two buttons simultaneously. That is, you quickly press and release the side button and the volume up button at the same time. When you do that, you see a flash on the screen, and the thumbnail of the screenshots will appear in the lower left corner of your screen. You can edit or save your screenshots. To edit the screenshots, you tap on the thumbnail to open the screenshot editor, as you can see here. Here you can crop, you can draw, and you can add text to the screenshots. When done, you tap on Done in the upper left corner and choose to save the file, the photos, or to delete. You can see the options here: save to files, save to photos, or to delete screenshots. If you don't tap on the thumbnail, it will automatically be saved on your Photos app. I hope you find this video helpful. Do well to like, to share, and to subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.